Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I wanted to go over 5 cryptocurrencies that could possibly perform quite well in the month of August. So moving into August, we're finally in the month of August in 2019, and I wanted to talk about 5 different coins that I feel are great potential trades or coins to at least look at in the sense of how I'm trading these coins. So we're going to go over a bit about the strategy first so that you guys get exactly what I'm saying in these videos, and then we're going to move on into actually what the coins are. So before we get into today's video, for those of you guys who are not familiar with the channel, we focus on cryptocurrency news and updates, trading education, and providing content that helps you guys improve your trading skills every day. So for those of you guys who are completely new to trading cryptocurrency and may have not had the best of luck, check out the free 4-day course that we put together for you guys, breaking down the 3 secrets behind making 60% plus per month swing trading cryptocurrency. So that, along with some other helpful resources, can be found in the description. So again, guys, in this video, I want to cover 5 different coins that present quite a nice setup, and I am going to be trading in the month of August. So starting off, I want to talk a little bit about the strategy. I am a swing trader. If you guys want to learn all about my strategy, there are some free and some paid resources you can learn about in the description, but I am a swing trader. So just to keep in mind, when I show you guys these coins, I'm not talking about long-term or short-term. I mainly look to take advantage of short to medium-term fluctuations, anywhere from 1 day to 3 days, possibly up to 7 days sometimes. So keep that in mind when going over these coins. I'm mainly focused on my strategy, and these coins present a nice trading opportunity for that strategy. So starting off at number 1, I do have Bitcoin. Now, the reason I am looking to trade Bitcoin in the month of August is, first off, I don't think the bull run that we're currently in is over. If we take a look at the daily setup, we've actually cooled down quite a lot on the RSI for the daily here. We're only at about a level of 48.50, and although that's not the lowest but not the highest, that's pretty good considering that we went from about $3,000 all the way up to about $14,000 only in a couple months, and we are not seeing overbought signs on the RSI. So we've had time to consolidate, kind of cool off, and stay around these levels. And some of the more shorter term chart patterns and indicators are showing signs of a continuation towards the upside. So just here, we're looking at the descending wedge that began to form on the 4-hour chart, and we saw that we just recently, actually within the last 24 hours, broke out and above that descending wedge. So we're now starting to consolidate and find some support back around that $10,000 level, which is a level that I do feel will play a huge part in determining whether or not we continue this current bull run or not. But number 1, of course, like I said, I do have Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the overall profit potential back up to where we were just a few weeks ago, we're looking at about a possible 40% gain back up to $14,000, but hopefully further if we do continue the bull run in the way that I'm looking to see. Now, coming in at number 2, and this coin again is a higher market cap coin, because guys, when we see Bitcoin going up, which is what I'm looking to see, of course I'm looking to see Bitcoin go up if I'm looking to trade it. We normally see some of the higher cap altcoins as well, like Ethereum, Litecoin, move along with Bitcoin, very similar to how Bitcoin is moving. So overall, I'm looking to see some large movement on Ethereum as well, and I'm actually looking to get a little bit more profit off of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So if we come into here to the 4-hour, turn the auto on real quick, there's actually looks to be more profit if we can get back up to those highs that we made a couple weeks ago with Bitcoin and some of the other altcoins, about 68% back up to $361 for Ethereum. Now, overall for me, in my opinion, I do think Ethereum is a more sought after asset right now, focused on blockchain technology rather than Bitcoin and Litecoin and some of the other higher market cap altcoins. Even if you take Bitcoin out of the equation, I do think Ethereum is one of the more higher in-demand assets or cryptocurrencies. So looking at 67%, hopefully back up to that level, or at least that potential for profit, provides a really nice opportunity. Now, again, guys, keep in mind that I'm trading all of these coins we're talking about on a swing trade basis and on a 1 hour time interval, or mainly 1 hour time interval basis, basically, looking for short-term price fluctuations. But I'm looking to see that trend continue to move higher and hopefully be able to take advantage of a nice bullish pattern. So coming in at number 3, we have Zilliqa. Now, you guys have heard me mention Zilliqa before on the channel here, and we actually just finished out a trade that you guys can look at a video a couple days ago on Zilliqa of 10%. But the overall long-term trend on Zilliqa is phenomenal. If you guys know the technology, and I'm not going to go over it in this video, if you guys know the technology behind Zilliqa, you know the real potential in the future that this company has. It is real. It is a very legitimate company, which is why it's one of the top altcoins in the infrastructure blockchain space. But overall, like we talked about a little bit with Bitcoin, we had a wedge forming here, and we recently broke out in the last 24 hours back up, showing again signs that we are starting to see an overall trend reversal, because we were in a pretty bad bearish trend for a lot of those altcoins, including Bitcoin and everything, and now we are starting to see that trend reverse. So Zilliqa is actually one of the cheapest alts on this list, only around 1 or 2 cents, given that it's been at 25, 26 cents at its all-time high. There's a lot of area for this to move in the long term, but again, in the short term, I'm focused on those short-term fluctuations, which you guys can see just recently brought us over on our private trading group about 10% profit in 15 hours, a couple days actually. The trade took to mature, but if you got in at the same price, the move happened within about 12-15 hours. So again, Zilliqa, another one I'm looking at to trade back up towards some of these top levels we've seen in the past couple months, and hopefully take advantage of some of those short-term price fluctuations, like I said, over on the 1 hour. Now, coming in at number 4, we have Tron, and Tron is actually a trade that I am currently involved in on a trade. So depending on if you guys when you guys are watching this video, I may be out of the trade already, but Tron has an incredible setup long term, which is why I put it on the list. The overall long-term support has been pretty steady for a while now, right around the 2200 mark of Satoshis, actually since the beginning of this year. So I really like where Tron's been at against the dollar, and also with Bitcoin growing, a lot of those high market cap altcoins are going to see a lot of growth as well, which is what I'm looking for on Tron. I don't really expect it to break its support at this point, given the fact that it hasn't broken its support all year, and the whole market is starting to move up. So the overall profit potential area there looks to be about 85% profit, back up to where it was just at the beginning of June. But again, I'm looking for those short-term price fluctuations, which is why I'm actually involved in a trade right now. We recently entered back here over around 2171, and the overall entry was anywhere from there up to 2250 Satoshis. So not too much profit yet, but again, we're looking for a larger move towards the upside, hopefully looking for something like 30 to 36% potential for profit, as we recently had a bounce off a similar level not too long ago. So again, Tron, another great setup long term, and really allows you to get a lot of profit if you take advantage of those short-term price fluctuations as well. Coming in at the last one, guys, and again, I want to highlight the reason we're focused on mainly higher market cap altcoins in this video is due to where the market is currently at. I do believe Bitcoin will continue to make higher highs moving forward these next few months or so. So I'm planning on a Bitcoin heavy growth bullish market, which normally will carry obviously Bitcoin and a lot of the higher market cap altcoins, while a lot of the lower market cap altcoins may continue to bleed. So I see a lot of potential with Cardano on the long-term chart. If you can see here, we really haven't been at this price in a while. The last time we saw support here was September 2018, and then we were down pretty low during December at 2-3 cents levels, and at this point we've consolidated right around the 4 to 5 cent level. So just recently we were back up at around 10-11 cents, which does provide almost 100% potential for profit if we move back up to that level when Bitcoin starts to move again. But if not, the short-term price fluctuations are really great to take advantage of. And again, provide a lot of profit if you take advantage of them correctly. So again, guys, I know this may be a little bit unique because I'm focused on my trading strategy and showing you guys the coins I'm focused on for August. But again, I'm a swing trader and everybody else is a different type of trader. So if I told you 5 specific coins that will make you money this next month, I would just straight up be lying. So if you guys want to learn how I trade specifically, there is a free 4-day course showing you guys my exact strategy, and that is completely free. You guys can get that. That's the first link in the description. And if you guys are looking for a little bit more of a premium option, you can go ahead and check out the Trading Accelerator, which is going to be the second link down in the description below. So again, guys, mainly focused on these coins and also focused on USD or Tether pairings because of the fact that I want to be able to move in and out of Bitcoin and also in and out of some of the higher market cap altcoins over mainly on Binance. And of course, you can do that with all of the Tether pairings. So again, guys, looking to see Bitcoin make some large moves in the month of August, or at least some type of move, and allow some of these altcoins to flourish as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you guys want to learn more about my trading strategy or anything else, check out the links in the description. And if not, subscribe to the channel for more content continuing to come. Have a good one, guys.